tree was fired for the beginning of the new year, and guess what? 8 out of 10 people right now are writing health resolutions for the next year. And you know what most of them don't know? 90% of those in 2 weeks are going to give up because they don't have a plan. Hey, guess what? You're a chiropractor. You teach chiropractic healthcare lifestyle for families that can break generational health patterns. So guess what? You do have a plan, and I'm going to show you the plan. We do this every year in Elite. The new 2025 New Year Patient Explosion System. It is a step-by-step blueprint that we're going to give you that turns these resolutions into reality in their life for the health of their family, where we're going to make 2025 the healthiest year of their life. And you're going to turn those resolutions into reality, where 1 year from today, they could be chronologically 1 year older and 3 to 5 years younger physiologically, with their health care, all their health problems gone. And if you monitor this in the clinic, you know this is true. So I've done this every year with our clients. The clients that use this explode. They have record-breaking first quarters. I used it with myself in 4 clinics that I had. Every year was the same thing, record-breaking first quarters. And this is the first time that I'm giving it to everyone, because right now, this year, amazing world changes are going to happen in healthcare. And we need to be the tip of the spear. So this is how we're going to guide people. With all the changes in the world, you are their primary healthcare leader, and I'm going to show you a plan how to do that, how to set health goals for their family, how to get them 100% committed, how to bring in their family immediately and turn this into a lifestyle where we're going to do this every year, and you're going to keep families for generations. So click on the link below. Get registered. I'm doing this for free, and we want to make a bigger impact in chiropractic healthcare than ever before. We'll help you be a great leader. We'll give you the step-by-step blueprint, and I guarantee it will work. And if you have any questions, just call me, because we want to make a bigger impact in families and generations to come. Now's the time. We're creating a new world in healthcare. All right, you guys, I'll see you there. I'm fired up. Let's get purpose driven. Hey, make your purpose bigger than your comfort zone, and we'll make a bigger impact than ever before. All right, see you guys. Love you. See you there.